guys, it's Janet and welcome. Today I'm going to do part 2 of my card kit that I received from Creative Escape Papercrafting Company. This is the March Amazing Value Kit. I've shown you so far, this will be my third video. The first was an unboxing and I did one card for you. And then I did a first 5 cards video just showing what I made with it. And so this is the last part, part 2. I'm going to show you 5 more cards plus an extra little item that I made. So let's get to it. And we're going to start with card number 1. I really loved how this turned out. This is a cut apart from the kit. The black and white twine came with the kit. Oops, I guess my little puffy dot moved on me a little bit, but it's supposed to be right there. There we go. This is a cut apart, this is a cut apart, and then we've got some beautiful paper just to place to create more interest, and I used some more of the puffy dots in the kit right there. Now if you want to see everything that came in the kit, all you have to do is go to that link up here in the right hand corner where you can see my unboxing, so just head on over there and then look too for the part 1 5 card video. Now in the future I'm going to come back with you to talk about how to actually make 10 cards. I'm going to try to do that in one video and stay under 30 minutes. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to be getting the fully loaded April kit. It was mailed today from my notifications. So we'll soon find out how well I do with that. But it's going to be a real challenge, but hopefully I will succeed. So this kit was full of amazing things. I've seen previews of the next one. It's amazing, maybe even more amazing, so I think it's not going to be a problem. But anyway, I got to move on here. So this is the first card. Card number 2 I think is super sweet. This is paper, printed paper from the kit. And I used white card base, or a pink card base that I had in my stash, and just rounded the corners, tore the paper and inked it, and I used the cube that came in the kit, the Delicata. I don't think I say that right. Delicata? You're probably all laughing at me. I can't say that. So anyway, moving on. This was a cut apart. I put this sweet little bow on here, and I had some of these flat-backed pearls that I just put on it. I used Wink of Stella on the flowers, as you can hopefully see. Sorry for the background noise of my dog. He's wandering around on my wood floors with paws, so you know, that's how that goes. Okay, then here's card number 3. This again takes full advantage of the cutouts. This is a tag cutout. I used again the yellow twine, the yellow and white twine, with a puffy dot. And then this was a cutout that says, "Breathe deeply, learn something new, choose simplicity." So, and then it says, of course, "You have but one life, enjoy the journey," which I thought was really sweet. I like that a lot, and I really like the card. Alright, here is the next card. A couple more cutouts. Again, that's a great thing about this kit, is that there's so many great cutouts that you can do this without having to really do a lot of stamping or anything like that if you don't want to or you don't care to. So the With Love here is sitting on top of this panel that looks like wood with the wreath. That's a cut apart, but then the With Love is something that I cut out of the gold cardstock that comes in the kit with the die that also is part of the kit, and I just think it's really pretty. Then I cut out a Live in the Moment tag here. Again, used a pink ribbon, and then these 2 are little tags that I cut out as well, and place that all on top of a nice piece of coordinating cardstock. Added a few sequins and a few dewdrops and a tiny sequin here in gold, and I really think it turned out great. The black card base on this is what really sets it off, I think. All right, the final card. This is a piece where I picked the paper, I cut this out, and then placed it onto the card base, the yellow card base. And this card base is white, but I just used the yellow panel, which the yellow cardstock came with the kit. And then I decided to try using the wood grain, because there's a lot of nice wood grain papers in this kit, and use that for the flowers. I thought it was just stunning, really, to use all that wood grain look in the flowers and just stamp it out in black and cut it out. That all, again, along with the With Love, came in the kit with the Sizzix framelit set. And then I filled in with some sequins in the colors that coordinated with the cardstock here. I cut out these boots because they are so cute. I had to use those boots somewhere, so I cut that out of some paper that had those in there, and again used the wood grain puffy stickers, which is cool because I've never really seen wood grain puffy stickers or enamel dots, but these are, and they probably don't show up so great maybe in the video, but they look stunning really in person. And then to finish it off, I used glossy accents on the With Love die cut there. And there's 3 layers of die cut paper there before I put on the glossy accents on the top. It just gives it some more texture and dimension. So there you go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 cards. So that's a total of really 11 because I made 1 plus 10. Now, the extra little card that I'm going to show you is not really a card, it's a little decorative piece. It says, "Beginnings are a wonderful thing," and this wood frame came in the kit. And so I decided to create a little frame, kind of a home decor item. I'm going to put this on my shelf in my office because I think it's just delicate and pretty, and it will add a little something to my very boring office at work. And what I did to create a backing here was I took the cardstock, which is a heavy cardstock for this cut apart, and glued it using double-sided tape so that this pretty part showed through. And then I created my own easel, and this is really easy to do. I cut this at 5 inches. So, and then I scored it a half inch, a half inch, and 2 inches, and cut that out because I don't know if you'll be able to see, but this part that's 2 inches has a half an inch in the middle. That's what supports it. And then there's another half inch in here that's glued to the card, to the kind of the triangle piece that this shape creates. And so then if I were to mail it, I made it so that I could collapse it and it could be flat, or when it's used you can push it out and hopefully it will stand for me. Every once in a while every once in a while it wants to. There we go. There it is. So it'll stand real nice for you. I'm not sure why I couldn't get it to stand a second ago, but this paper in the kit is really heavy, so it worked just fine for this. And again, see, it stands perfectly. Well, that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed seeing this card kit. And again, the fully loaded April kit will be coming next, and that one I will actually show how I made 10 cards rather than just showing the 10 finished cards. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Click that bell and then you'll be made aware of when I post that. I think you're going to want to see it. It's going to be really interesting. And even if you don't have the kit, you can use the ideas to make your own cards with things in your stash. Alright, well, take care everybody. I'll see you soon.